Beckham Enterprises, Molina, Georgia, 3-1 steers, 88 head of steers. Beckham Enterprises, Molina, Georgia, 3-1. (3-1), 88 steers, all black and black white face. Only about 3 or 4 Charolais Angus crosses. Really a fancy set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired steers. Real docile. Beckham Enterprises, Mr. Richard and Glenn Beckham. A lot of the calves are sired by Kensington Angus bulls, and the Beckhams were in the Angus, purebred Angus business, raising commercial Angus bulls. Grant Johnson, the manager, first time selling with us in August. Sold a load last year. That's Kensington. This year it's all Beckham Enterprises. Really nice and #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers, 3-1. They'll have around 60 days when they load on the truck, and should be somewhere around 7:15, 7:30 at delivery. I think the calves have been weaned since September the 20th. You can tell how gentle they are. Beckham Enterprises, 3-1. (3-1). One load of steers around 7:15, 7:30 at delivery. Have 60 days or better. I believe the calves would follow me to town, and they've only been weaned since September the 20th. Really a nice #1 muscle, medium large frame Angus sire steers. There's a few of the mamas. It's got a little brangus in them, but they really would be a 16th or less. Really outstanding set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame steers. Beckham Enterprises, Molina, Georgia, 3-1. Beckham Enterprises, Molina, Heifers, 3-2. Be 86 head of heifers. Cattle been weaned since September the 20th. Beckham Enterprises. Beckham Enterprises, Molina, Georgia. Mr. Richard and Glenn Beckham. 3-2. Be 1 load of heifers out of 86 head. Really a nice set of #1 muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired heifers. Again, just like the steers, a few of them are a few Brangus cross calves. It'll be a 16th or less on the ear, so they really no ear for us cattle down here in the south. Real docile, just like the steers. Be the first time the Beckhams have a solid load of steers and a solid load of heifers. (3-2). The heifers will have 60 days or better before they get on the truck and weigh somewhere between 675 and 700 at delivery. Only 5 Charolais in the Heifers. Charlie Angus crosses, the rest of them are black and black white face. (3-2). Beckham Enterprises, Molina. Mr. Richard and Glenn Beckham. Grant Johnson, the manager. An outstanding set of number 1 muscle, medium and large frame Angus sired heifers. (3-2).